Hey guys, got an unboxing for you guys today, and this is one I've been looking forward to for a while, so get right into it. Use my Smith & Wesson Military Police. Hate these boxes. Uh, Alright, now that I'm done mangling the box, alright, wrapped up in a kid's magazine Mickey Mouse toy. Alright, well, as long as what I want's in it, I don't really care, I guess. Picked this up on Blade forums, and my new buddy Brandon. Thank you, Brandon. Alright, see the Benchmade logo, the Balisong. Wonder what kind it is. Ooh, Benchmade model 47. This thing's wicked looking. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.